got it. Is it that bird? It's a fucking bird, isn't it? God damn it. Motherfucker. Get it out of your wing. Huh? You want some chicken McNuggets? He's not. I don't think he's on the hook, he's just on the line. Man, that looked like a good fish too. I got this seagull wrapped up in my line, unfortunately.
I guess we're gonna find out what tastes better, seagull or shark.
I don't know why it's like what I'm supposed to do. This is not going to be fun. I hope the hook isn't in him. There's no way. Get it off your wing, buddy. He's just wrapped up in the line. Yeah, I got a whole bunker on here. I got pretty excited when I saw my rod go down. Luckily I didn't have to wrestle the bird and he flew away, so all is well.